Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSide0.net, and this is the review of the HONOR Magic7 Pro, the latest flagship redefining innovation with AI capabilities, stunning hardware, and a host of advanced features. Let's explore why this might be the ultimate smartphone for 2025. The HONOR Magic7 Pro is the masterpiece in design, featuring a 6.8-inch LTPO quad-curve OLED display with 2800 x 1280 resolution. With a peak brightness of 5000 nits, this screen offers superb clarity even in direct sunlight. The 120Hz smart refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, and the TUV Rhineline certifications make it easy on the eyes for extended use. Durability matches elegance with a nano crystal shield, offering 10 times the drop resistance of standard glass. Combine this with IP68 and IP69 ratings, and you have a phone built to endure. Photography enthusiasts will love the AI HONOR Falcon camera system. It includes a 200 megapixel ultra telephoto lens capable of 100 times digital zoom, a 50 megapixel wide sensor with adjustable aperture, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens for capturing expansive scenes. The AI super zoom is perfect for long distance shots, while AI hardcore portrait delivers studio-like quality, enhancing bokeh and lighting for stunning portrait. Selfies are equally impressive with the 50 megapixel front camera, offering sharp detail and natural colors. The Magic 7 Pro excels in AI features. Starting with Magic Portal 2.0, this tool allows you to drag content directly to apps like Maps, Search, or social media, streamlining multitasking. AI work tools like AI Transcribe and AI Summary make note-taking and meeting follow-ups effortless. Whether you're a professional or student, this feature boosts productivity. And for global communication, AI Translate supports real-time translation in 13 languages, bridging language barriers seamlessly, and this includes Bahasa Melayu as well. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile chipset, the Magic 7 Pro delivers top-notch performance for gaming, multitasking, and advanced AI application. And here are some of the benchmark scores for those who wanted to know how powerful the phone is. Its 5550 mAh silicon carbon battery provides exceptional longevity, while 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless HONOR Supercharge gets you back to full power in just minutes. The Magic 7 Pro also excels in audio quality with stereo speakers and spatial audio certification. AI noise reduction ensures crystal clear call even in noisy environment. On the security side, HONOR introduced the world's first on-device AI deepfake detection, scanning video calls for authenticity. Combined with ultrasonic fingerprint and 3D face recognition, it ensures your data stays safe. In summary, the HONOR Magic 7 Pro is a true flagship, offering a stunning display, powerful cameras, innovative AI tools, and robust performance. Whether you are a creative professional, a gamer, or someone who demands the best from their smartphone, this device ticks almost all of the boxes. In other words, I am satisfied on what the HONOR Magic 7 Pro has to offer. And that's all about it on today's review. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like our video. And I shall see you in the next one.